What's up, guys? These two still here. We're here with part 2. There's probably gonna be like, I don't know,
Wait,
couple parts to
this.
this.
To the audience? Can I say something to the audience?
Yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe to him.
He is spitting facts. Make sure you do that. Oh, we got some monkeys.
Yeah.
All right, let's just go back.
Can someone be in my video?
Yeah, might have been.
Which one do you want to do? I'm kind of maybe blurg. We haven't done that yet, and I want to know what it is. I'll be in your video.
Oh, this map.
What is blurg? What is blurg?
And in this level, we're just running in circles.
So it's just 4 hallways. Did you say big circles? Oh!
Yep, it's
what is that?
Pac-Man. It's Pac-Man.
Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Come here! You stranger!
Stranger danger!
Yo, my bad.
It's Pac-Man.
Yo, I'm gonna juke out the big purple. Oh. Whoa!
I'm gonna juke out the purple Pac-Man. Purple Pac-Man.
Purple Pac-Man has been juked.
Pac-Man.
Yeah, purple Pac-Man. Purple Pac-Man. Purple Pac-Man. No, no, purple Pac-Man. No, no, don't do this. Don't commit homicide, purple Pac-Man. Ah! Purple Pac-Man, don't commit homicide, or else you will get juked. I juked purple Pac-Man. I juked purple Pac-Man. All right. It's not enough. It's not enough.
I'm gonna
Should we do some more? Some more blurg.
Purple Pac-Man got me. Purple Pac-Man.
Wait. Let's play Ring Around for Rosie. We're gonna play Ring Around for Rosie.
No.
Run! No!
Oh my god, it's Pac-Man!
Ooh.
Yes.
Juked.
This one's just Pac-Man.
Oh, I died.
Pac-Man's trying to eat me.
Mayhem.
I'm going got a ball.
Mayhem. Oh, Sidon.
Sigma Neo Skibberty Slicers. My fault, bro.
Juked. Juked.
Sigma.
Ring around the Rosie. Ring around the Rosie.
Yellow, are you making a part 3? Are you making a part
This is
3?
part 2.
Yellow?
I probably will be making a part 3.
Okay.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back.
On YouTube, and whenever you post the videos, I'm just gonna put "Hey, it's me" on every single part.
All right. Oh,
Help me.
we're back. All right, we gotta wait for everyone, otherwise they won't know where we went.
Anyone got a mic?
All right, we're gonna go into maze. Oh, we already went into Slender Tubbies in the first part.
I don't like this one. It has Siren Head.
Oh my
Siren Head is so.
I don't really like this.
That's Siren.
Should we do this?
Oh, I love this.
I think we might get lost.
I love this.
We're probably gonna get lost.
I remember it. No, I think I'm the only one that doesn't seem scared, and I'm gonna go first.
Split up. That's the best
No,
thing
it's
ever.
because we're probably gonna get lost. I'm not scared.
Yeah, we're all gonna split up eventually.
Okay, well, this flashlight sucks. I can barely see in front of me.
Everyone watch out for Siren Head.
All right, I'll make sure to keep track.
Roger's gonna get lost.
Oh, there he is.
Oh my God, it's Skibbity! He's coming! He's coming for us! Stay down.
I'm going to interview him.
Siren Head.
I think you're going to hyperdrive.
Guys, he can probably hear us.
10 out of 10.
0 out of 0.
That means you gave it the best rating you could. That's technically 10 out of 10 because you said 0 out of 0. Alright, let's go back.
No, yeah, we found the monster.
Smelly.
Guys?
What's that?
Something weird is happening.
Oh, we're back here.
Oh.
Oh, I almost went in Slender Tubbies. Alright, so we've already done Maze,
I think it really was.
Rat Run, Slender Tubbies, Crawl Space, and Blurg.
No.
So we have Back Rooms, Marble Slab, and Sky Island left. Which one do you want to do?
I don't think
Back
Sky
room.
Island. I don't think we should do Sky Island because
Crawl
apparently
space.
you get stuck and you can't get out.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you can get out.
Alright, we're gonna look at that at the very end of the video, maybe.
Guys, let's go in crawl space. Guys, let's go in
Yeah,
crawl
as
space.
We've already gone there. We've already gone there. Alright.
Let's go there again. Let's go there again.
Nah, bro, I don't want to go there again, but if you guys want to. Should we do it?
Back room. They're going black room.
I kind of want to do
Or
back
they're going
rooms
last
because we've not been there. Alright. Oh! Section A, I guess. Oh god.
I'm gonna.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Help! Help! Help!
Run!
Yeah.
He's already after us! Run!
Sigma, get it. You are not Sigma. You're like
Jukes. I juked him. This wall looks sus. Should we go?
No guys, I'm gonna go be white. I'm gonna go be white. Cutscene.
He killed us. He sure did. All right. Which section now? We're going to section B.
What the heck?
Kind of
Hey,
sussy.
is this where we
Wait,
go?
we died
Hey,
here
is
last
this
time.
where we died?
We died here.
Isn't this close to where we decided to become white?
What is that?
Well, that's new.
Oh my god.
Sir,
it's-
what is your political... Sir, what do you think? Very interesting.
I wonder what his opinion on cheese is.
Cheese is good.
Yep, that would have been his answer.
Apparently he's a racist.
I love cheese.
Hey, your little kid screaming.
Yo,
My
kid is
favorite
screaming.
sound of horror games. Little kid screaming.
Little kid is screaming. I'm only
That's my favorite. That's music to my ears in horror games.
I'm only playing
Bro.
the second game in the first game.
That's how you know the game is actually quality if the little kids are screaming.
What is this? Secret wall?
It's called lighting glitches. What the heck?
Yeah, but it would have been cool if it was a fake wall.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Alright, I think we're just gonna die, and once we get back, we're never coming back here, because this was a horrible vacation destination.
So, yeah, bro.
I didn't enjoy my time. I couldn't find my hotel.
Bro, nah, bro, this is the hotel. Bro, I told you not to pay that $1 membership on Temu for a motel room, bro.
Bro, maybe I should have
Now the hallways are super long and we can't find our way back.
Oh no.
Bro, we're gonna start making a documentary.
We saw
about
a
our
screaming
experiences until
child.
die.
We saw a screaming child as well.
Isn't this the start?
We saw a extremely loud screaming child. I think that's the extremely loud screaming child. That was a horrible jump
landed on
scare.
the sign.
Oh no! I almost went in blur. All right, marble slab. Then we're gonna have to do Sky Island after.
No, marble slab. Guys, let's go marble.
All right. Be careful. Stay up.
What's this thing? Is this the White House? What is
The
this?
entity is in that spot. So
It's
you
in
can
that
break
spot.
the entity.
Literally right there.
Next button.
What are you saying? You can't kill us if we do this. Confirmed.
No, look at my power. I have a power.
Make my booty.
I have a secret monkey power.
Make it crack. Make it slap.
Why was that so fast?
Killed us both. Kill us all.
Of course there's multiple.
How big is it? That's what she said, but whatever. PvP series is going to explode your headset. Watch out. He said he doesn't have a nose. Watch out. He doesn't have a nose. That makes him scarier.
Well, guys.
I'm
let's
shivering
go-
in my
let's go
timbers.
crawl space. Let's go
Because
crawl
he-
space too.
Bro, we've already been to crawl space. We're gonna do it after. I kind kinda like this map. Oh my god, bro, what the hell? What the Sigma?
No, he doesn't have a nose.
Bro, what the Sigma?
Look at you.
Bro, why is he so fast?
I feel like another game.
Alright, let's go. Let's go back.
What's your name? Your whole name.
Alright, we're gonna do Sky Island. We're never getting back. Join server 1 after. This is the last part, I think, until it gets another update.
And then I'm gonna be.
We-
Go and crawl
We can add each other on outdoors after.
3 people in there.
I fell off.
Stop.
We're stuck in an endless loop.
No, no. Just grab on.
No!
Help us.
We're stuck forever.
We're never coming back.
We're coming back.
Stop.
Help us. I see the monster. He's
Grab on.
Wait, what if the monster catches us and we just... What do you mean grab on? How do I grab on? Yes, I did it! I did it! Alright, I'm on.
Around like Skibbity Boy with.
Why was the map bouncy, bro? Why did it... No!
we going now?
How? It's getting worse. Oh.
Alright, we're gonna do it this time. Yes, I did it. Especially crazy. Alright.
Oh, am I making? Can I make it? No.
The smelly booger monsters.
What's my Pookie Bear doing? What?
This is actually a pretty fun map if the monsters weren't moving and if you didn't have to do that every time you die.
Alright guys, I'm back from the phone.
Oh my god! The monsters! Monsters! Run! Oh my god, bro! They're going! They're going! Oh my god, bro! Bro! What is this? Oh no! Help me! Help me! Everyone dies! Where's the monster?
Whoa, where he's going?
Oh, I see him.
Yep, I do too.
He's coming up.
There's 3 of them.
There's 3. Yep, there's an invisible wall. Let's go, let's go.
Hey, fellas, you might want to run.
Why?
You want to know why we should run?
Why?
Because the funny
my God.
boogeyman's after us. Damn, bro, sticky ass blueberries, huh?
Oh, I see one. They're coming. Oh my god. No! No! Oh my god.
No, yeah.
Watch out!
No,
Go the other way! Go the other way!
No. You're very anti-Sigma. Okay, day boys! Day! Knee book your ankles. Your ankles.
I wanna see the jump scare.
Well then go for it.
That was... Oh! I landed on the platform this time.
Who got that
Oh no.
Get in my way. Everybody run.
Run! Run! Better have a...
I got grabbed. When I was running, he grabbed my face and started going nom nom nom.
Yum.
Nom nom nom.
Alright. We gotta go. We gotta actually go. Watch out. He's coming. Run. They're coming. Go this way. Go this way. Run. Run. Make a run for it. Make a run for it. Make a run.
Chasing you.
He ain't gonna, he probably coming in. Yeah,
This is actually so fun. Alright, we're gonna end the recording here because there's no reason for you to be watching anymore. Bye.